Hey guys, my name is Mars, and today I'm going to review the Schwarzkopf Keratin Color Hair Dye in shade 4.6 Intense Cocoa. I needed some permanent color to avoid my hair turning green at a theme park, so I went and bought this at the drugstore on a friend's recommendation. So you just put in the color like usual into the developer bottle. It comes with a serum that you put on the mid-lengths to the ends of your hair, and that keeps, like, if you got damage on your hair, if you dyed a lot or if you just bleached it, that'll try to heal it a bit. It's like the Schwarzkopf Olaplex dupe. So there's a total processing time of 30 minutes, and you apply it on your roots, and then if you have damage, you do that for the first 20 minutes, and then you'll drag it through your mids to your ends for the last 10 minutes. So total of 30. I just drug it section by section, did the standard 4 quadrants or whatever. I only needed to do the dye from everything above my ears and up. The bottom of my hair was actually still this color left over. I had highlights in my hair that I was trying to cover on the top half of my hair, so that's what I'm doing here today. This dye really has healed my hair, and when you're done, it comes with a conditioner that has that, like, I think it's K-Bond Plex is what they call it, or something like that. And it's basically an Olaplex dupe, and I get about 4 or 5 uses out of it, and it really heals my hair. So here's the reveal. It looks really great. It will fade, especially after you wash it a couple of times. But please like this video and subscribe if you want to see me wreck my hair more. I do it all the time, and I do all kinds of crazy things with it, and I'll review like beauty products and stuff like that. So thanks. See you guys later. Bye.